Happy weekend everyone, and welcome to my channel. If now your first time for stumble for this our YouTube channel, like, share and subscribe. Today we cook now rice and gizzard sauce. You see my rice, see my gizzard here, see my tomatoes here, see mushroom. I want to add some mushroom inside. I get Maggi here, I get curry powder, I get black pepper, I get thyme, sliced onions, salt. This one is celery leaves mixed with grind onions, ginger and garlic. It's inside here. I put them all for inside the gizzard now. Okay, now first thing we go do now, so we'll first cook our gizzards. We'll first cook our gizzards. See, I put my gizzard inside pot. Me done. I'll put salt. I'll put curry. Boil and so that make the smell. I don't like the smell. Make the smell come out. These are get sometimes smell with the smell for person he knows. Add my Maggi. And put a bit of salt again. Then I cover and now make it boil. Our gizzard there for fire. Why would you wait? Make the gizzard done. Water for rice today for fire. More time it could boil. So I go wash my rice now. I'm gonna put them inside. Just keep watching to the end. Now I'm putting my rice again. Our rice done. So now we go for the stew. Because I don't want to fry oil, don't fry the oil, hot the oil before I put the tomatoes. I'm putting everything inside. I'm putting everything, the tomatoes, everything inside to boil, dry before I put my oil. Everything inside mixed together. So now I'm going to allow everything to boil together. Covering my pot and allow everything to boil. My tomato is ready. Putting my meat inside. Inside now. My gizzard, sorry. Now I'm going to add my oil. Fried oil is not good, guys, especially if you have gastritis. If you are suffering from gastric, it's not good to fry your oil before putting in your tomatoes. Cook everything. Mix everything together before you put your tomatoes. I don't know how they call this. I never saw it in Cameroon when I was growing up. I saw it in Deutschland. I like it adding it to my stew. When I'm cooking my stew, I like adding some greenies inside. Okay guys, our food is ready. Super ready, as you can see. So now let me dish it. The food is super ready. As you can see, super ready. Super ready. That is our food. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Before you go, hit the notification bell so that every time that I post a news video, you can get notified, and so that you can come and watch it. Thank you all. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye.